Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In this video you will learn the steps to install PowerShell 7 on Windows 10. So first we will be checking which version of PowerShell we have on our computer. So right click on start and click on PowerShell with admin. Click yes on user account control window and you will have a PowerShell window open. Now type the command to check the version, that is $, P as in Paul, S as in Sam, V as in Victor, ERSION, and then TABLE without any space, and press enter. So it shows the version 5. Right now we have PowerShell version 5 installed on our computer. So I'll close this and we'll go to our website. I'll give you guys a link in the description. This is the website from where we can download the PowerShell version 7 for Windows 10. So I'll be downloading this PowerShell 7 Win X64 MSI because I have a 64-bit operating system. So I'll click on that and the file will start downloading at the bottom left corner. So we will wait till it completes. Okay, so our file has been downloaded. We'll click on that arrow and we will open it. I will close this window and we will follow the instructions on installation wizard. So we'll simply click on next. We'll click on next again and simply put a check in the box on the third option that says add open here context menus to Explorer, and click on next and click on install. Click on yes. If it asks you do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, and let's wait. Okay, the installation is completed. You can click on finish. And now if you click on the menu, you will see PowerShell 7 at the top in the list. So there are two PowerShell actually on your machine now. One is PowerShell 5, which was there on your computer earlier, and the one which we have installed, that is PowerShell 7. So if you right click on the start menu, you will still see that Windows PowerShell. But since you have the latest version of PowerShell now, you can use it. If I click on, if I want to open it with the admin right, I'll have to right click on it and then click on more and run as administrator. Click yes. And if you want to check the version we have of this PowerShell 7, we can simply type the same command, that is $, P as in Paul, S as in Sam, version table, and press enter. So it shows version 7. It also shows PowerShell 7 at the top. So that's how you can install a latest version of PowerShell on your Windows 10 computer. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again and you have a great day. Bye bye.